Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on my social media here. So today in this video we have a special project, the Alph AI, one of the best websites where you can make a lot of traders and smart. You can trade with your friend and another friend. Just follow me from the beginning to the end to understand all about this project. See you soon guys after this intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today we have the Alph.ai, the smart website where you can trade. First of all, you can just change your language from English. They have Russian, Korean, Spanish, Russian, etc. Then you can just connect. You have to connect your wallet. The lightning fast X1000 pump opportunities. You can grab X1 pump token in 1 second with smart money inside. So go to the Telegram here, open the Telegram. After that you can see here, so you can click start, then you can just log in on the website. But before start, let's see, this is the welcome for the Alph AI. As you see, the most secure with the MPC and 2FA tech. The Alpha signal also with more than 60% win rate and the milestone level trading speed faster than ever. So everything is created now. So let's go and log in. So open it on your official website like this. After that, this is the official link. After that, we are here and this is our wallet. You can change your network from the Solana or BSC. They support the X layer also, and the Ethereum and the Plasma, as you see. So you can select anyone here. You can find here your wallet. So this is the wallet. First of all, you can just make a deposit here, and this is your address for the Ethereum network. You can also change it, for example, from the Solana if you want to make it, and you can check here. After that, deposit on this address only, transfer SOL to this address. So you have to be careful, only SOL. So we have here the memes. You can see here a lot of memes, the new creation almost granted here, and here are the granted. So they have a lot of memes, as you see. And you can check by one for so banana here, dancing bee, and the nifty, the sticky, and the flame, and a lot of memes tokens almost granted. And we have here the new creation. You can check it by yourself, and you can check everything about the memes token here. So we have here the trading. If you want to make a trade, you can select the total traders, the algorithm ratio, and the top launch, and for sure the new tokens. And we have here the trading tokens. For sure you can see some users that really communicate and really trading on this platform. So you can see also here the signals. So the signals, people really invest here. You can see the last for the yesterday and how they can win for today for sure. And you can check everyone. So for example, let's check this one for the plus 40x. So this one has made already some buy and sell for the Solana. As you see, he buy and sell a lot of things. And AI summary here, the Sora is a token related to OpenAI Sora video generated AI tools. The Sora is a token that leverages the narrative of OpenAI Sora video generation, etc. So you can make a quick trading like by Solana, for example 0.1, 0.2, 0.5 or 1 Solana. You can also sell 10%, 20% or 100%. So today's game here, you can check the gold game. People really invest the first alert time, the tokens here, the MC here, and the last 24 hours max increase after the first alert here about the silver game and the bronze game for sure. So everything is clear till now. You can check a lot of smart money activity for the last 10 minutes, and they have a lot of users really invest on this. So you can check, for example, this one, the price is 0.0403, and the MC here, the poll here, the last 24 hours, and no mint, burn, yes, blacklist, and a lot of things for sure. So I will show you how you can trade. Just go here, but before start we have to make some deposit on your Solana, and you can just select, for example, this Trump token. You can see here that the price now is almost the 7.5. as you see here, this is the price here, and the last 24 hours is down from it. So you can select the favorite, the USDT, the Solana, etc. So all what you have to do is, for example, buy 0.05, but unfortunately I don't have any amount on the account. So but for you, you can buy 0.05 or this choices before. So you can also select how much. For example, if I want to make 0.01 equal to dollars or 0.1, it means 21 or 22 dollars. So you can see everything here. Then you can buy with the market or the limit offer. The limit offer, it means that you can put the price here, for example, the price exactly on Solana, don't forget that. So you can put, for example, when the price is 0.6 dollars or more, you can buy it. So I prefer to do the market because you can buy this price exactly at that price. You can buy this token exactly at that price. So everything is clear about how you can buy the token. Also, if you wanna sell 10% of the tokens, but I don't have anything for now, you can see here all the activities, the couple, and the traders really use this. So you can change between the Solana and the USDT. So you can also trade on the X stock. It means that you can trade, for example, with the Tesla, Nvidia, the Masterpiece, and a lot of Apple, Google, or Gold, or anything else. So you can check, for example, this for the Tesla. This is the price for one token for Tesla, 455, and the pool is here. Also the M cap here, the holders, last 24-hour TXS, and the last volume for the last 24 hours, and a lot of things for sure. So you can just go and buy this one. For example, you can trade on this one, but unfortunately I don't have anything on the platform for my account. So we have here the smart wallet. You can check it by yourself, and this is all wallets here. And we have here the calls, where you can see a lot of calls for sure. So it is really a meme experience. Here we have the meme experience, one of the best website where you can trade exactly and smoothly and security. You can see here the trackers, the followed. If you follow someone, you can just track it here. You can add it to your wallet and put the wallet, put your name, and confirm it as you see. So let's go to the meme. We have here a lot of memes. For example, this one, let's say this verified one. Just make sure that you can trade on a lot of things. As you see, the price for now is 0.50646. So you can buy and sell as you wish with the Solana network. You can also change to the plasma here, or you can change to any other token available here. So they have also the BSC where you can trade. The meme index are here, and the total traded is 236, as you see, for 40.3 thousand traders, and this is really a big amount for you guys. So that's all. I hope you like the project where you can trust, and it is really a good one. You can see every single information here about the P2, the P3, also the page for also, etc. So they have a lot of tokens are here, a lot of traders. This one for the charity, and this one for the meme, etc. The last thing that you can earn up to 50% with your referral link if you invite your friend. This is your link. I will put it under this video description, and you can earn 40% for me and 0% for the users. For example, if I invite for A, if I invite person A, I will earn 40% from A, only A. If the A invite B, I will earn 3.5% from the B. If B invite C, I will earn 3% from C. If C invite D, I will earn 20% from D. And also if D invite E, I will earn 1% from E. So the last thing, you can see everything about your invitation here, about your invitation, and you can also withdraw anything. The minimum withdrawal is 0.01. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen, about the Alph AI, one of the best broker. We can buy anything for sure. So that's it. You can check the security. You have to inbound any security for sure. That's how you can make a withdrawal first of all. So that's all. You can also change your language, as I mentioned. You can change your information here about the P2, personal 2, and a lot of things for sure. So that's all. See you soon, guys, in the next videos, and don't forget like and comment if you want any new information about the Alph.ai. I will absolutely reply you on the comment and explain everything about this. See you soon, guys, and goodbye.